In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list on Wayfair, step by step 2025. Let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and searching for Sell with Wayfair. This takes you to Wayfair's official partner area where suppliers manage their catalogs. Make sure you're on the legitimate Wayfair site before moving forward. Next, log in with your account. Use your supplier credentials and sign in to the partner portal. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard with catalog tools and reporting. If you have multiple roles or brands, confirm you're in the correct account so your products land in the right place. From the catalog tools, click on Add new products. This is where you'll start a fresh listing upload. The system will prompt you to pick how you want to add items. You'll see two options, quick upload or guided upload. Quick upload is best if you're comfortable with spreadsheets and want to upload many SKUs at once. Guided upload walks you through fields on screen, which is great if you're new or listing a small number of products. Pick the route that matches your workflow. Click on the option you chose to proceed. If you go with quick upload, the portal will prepare the template workflow. If you choose guided, it will set up the on-screen form flow. The next steps still apply to getting the right structure. Now click download template. This first download action opens the path to a template tailored to your product category. Choose a class. The class is Wayfair's category structure. Think of it as the specific product group like bar stools, area rugs, or vanity lights. Pick the closest match for what you're listing because this drives the required attributes. Click on add selected class to confirm your choice. This ensures the system knows exactly which attributes and validations to include for your products. Then click on download template again. This time you're getting the class-specific spreadsheet with the correct columns. Open it and fill it carefully. Include unique SKUs, clear titles, detailed descriptions, dimensions and weights, materials and finishes, images or image links that meet quality guidelines, pricing, inventory, and any compliance or care details the class requires. Pay attention to required fields and formatting notes in the template to avoid validation errors. Save the completed file on your computer. Back in the portal, click on Upload. This opens the file picker for your catalog import. Choose your downloaded template, the completed one you just saved, and double check that you're selecting the correct file for the class you chose. Finally, click on Submit. The system will validate your data. If it flags any issues, review the error messages, correct the fields in your file, and re-upload. When everything passes, your products move forward for review and publishing. And that's the full process for listing on Wayfair in 2025. Good luck with your upload.